tutorial number 10, and it covers the Filet Constant Radius feature within Solidworks. To start off this tutorial, let's open up the Filet tutorial part, which I have included on the DVD. This is the part that we will be making a bunch of fillets on. Now, to make a fillet, all we have to do is click the Filet feature and click Align Segment on the part. The yellow is the preview of what the fillet will do. Click Accept, and we have the fillet. Now click the fillet feature again, and now for this time, let's make a bigger fillet. Let's make it 40 millimeters. Click the edge, and we can see that we've made a 40 millimeter fillet. We can increase it, or we can decrease the fillet size. But for this one, let's make it 40 millimeters. Click Accept. Now, on the outside edges of a part, we'll always cut in to the part, just like how we did. But if we have an edge such as this, the fillet option will actually add to the part. As you can see in the preview, we're going to be adding material if we accept this fillet. Let's put it down to 20 millimeters and accept. And now the fillet option has added to the part there. And we can also do this option to circular edges. So let's click fillet, let's click the top circle, and let's make the fillet 5 millimeters. Click Accept, and we filleted around 5 millimeters. Now click the inside circle, click fillet, and we can do a 5 millimeter fillet there too, and also click that line, click Accept, and now we've done 2 fillets inside of there. And this concludes our tutorial on the constant radius fillet. This is tutorial number 11, and we will be covering the fillet variable radius feature within Solidworks. For this tutorial, open up the fillet tutorial part, which I included on the DVD as well. Now, to start off, let's click fillet, click variable radius, and now let's choose a line on the part that we'll add the fillet to. And let's choose this line going across the top. Now scroll down, and we have 2 different points, one there and one there, that we can choose the radius lengths for each. So let's make one 20 millimeters, and for 2, let's make it 5 millimeters. So you can see that on one side the radius is 5 and the other one it's 20, and the variable radius increases from 5 to 20, creates that radius. Now we can also assign a radius to each of these individual points there. So let's click the one in the middle, and that's going to be our point, our third point, and let's make that radius smaller. Let's make it 2. Okay, now accept, and we've created a variable radius going across the top there. Now go on to the other side of the part. Let's click the top, click fillet, click variable radius, and as you can see, there's 3 points there. We can increase them with this button. As we increase them, we can make more intersection points, so we can make it more precise. So say we have 5. Now, our first one, we'll make it 20. Our second one, we'll make it 5 again. Now, we'll make this point 3. We'll make this point 10. We'll make this point 5. Make this point 10. And we'll make the last point 5. Now in our preview, we can see all the different radiuses that we've given and what it's going to look like. So let's accept this, and we've made another variable radius on there. We can also do variable radiuses to circular fillets that we want to do. So let's click the top one there, click fillet, click variable radius. With the circular pattern, it only gives you 1 point to start out with, so you have to use the other instances that you add in. We can add as many as we want. Let's just do 3. So for point 1, let's make it 5. For point 2, let's make it 10. For point 3, let's make it 5. And for point 4, let's make it 10. Click accept, and we've made a variable radius on the circle now. And we can also do this inside. So let's click the inside circle, click fillet, click variable radius, and with our 4 points, we can do this again. So let's do 5 for point 1. For point 2, let's make it 2. For point 3, let's make it 5. And for point 4, let's make it 2. Click accept, and now we've made another variable radius inside of the circle. And this concludes our tutorial on variable radiuses. This is tutorial number 12, and it covers the face fillet feature within Solidworks. For this tutorial, open up the fillet tutorial part, which I've included on the DVD. To do a face fillet, click fillet, click face fillet, and all you have to do is click 2 different faces on the part. So let's click this face, and then click the second, and you make the fillet on the side. Click accept, and you've made the fillet. Now let's do another one. Click fillet, click face fillet, click this face, and click this face. And we're also able to make the fillet larger, and we're able to make it smaller. This one, let's make it 25 millimeters. Click enter, click accept, and we've made another face fillet. And this concludes our tutorial on the face fillet feature in Solidworks. This is tutorial number 13, and it covers the full round fillet feature within Solidworks. To start off this tutorial, open up the fillet tutorial part, which I have included on the DVD. Once you've opened it, let's start. Click fillet, click full round. Now let's do a full round feature around this part of the part. To do this, we have to click this side for the first face, this side for the second face, and this side for the third face. And as you can see, we can make a full round on top there. Click accept, and it cuts out the part. Now let's do this again, but let's do it on this bigger piece. Click fillet, click full round, click this side, click this side, and then click that side. And again, we make another one. Click accept, and that concludes our tutorial on the full round fillet feature in Solidworks. This is tutorial 14, and it covers the Fillet Expert within Solidworks. To start off, open up the fillet tutorial part, which I've included on the DVD. Once that's open, let's click Fillet, click Fillet Expert. Now, let's choose a face to use the Fillet Expert on. Let's choose this face. And the Fillet Expert fillets every single line, which is related to the face that we chose. Now, just like all the other fillet options, we're able to increase the radius and decrease it. For this one, let's just use 10 millimeters. Click accept. And we filleted all the lines that are related to that face. Now let's continue this fillet all the way around this part. Let's click Fillet, the Fillet Expert, and let's choose all the other faces. Now we've chose all the other faces around, and let's click Accept, and we have filleted all the way around this part. Now we're able to do this with the other part on top too. Click Fillet Expert, click all the sides. Now let's change it to 5 millimeters, and every single line that's related to those 4 sides that we chose gets filleted in and out. So let's click Accept, and we filleted all the way around on top of that. The Fillet Expert's wonderful as you're able to quickly and easily fillet a lot of edges on a part, just that you're not able to be as